Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'll show you how I made this nice, good pumpkin pie. Very easy to make, very delicious. Follow along and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to take our store-bought crust, if we didn't make our own, and we're going to poke holes in it all the way through so it don't bubble up too much. 1 can of pure pumpkin. 2 eggs. You're going to kind of beat them before you put them in. And then we're going to mix these well together. A 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm just going to stir this together very well. And your 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. It helps bring out the flavor of the others. Okay, we're going to want 1 can of evaporated milk, 15-ounce can. And we're just going to whisk this in the real good. And then last but not least, we want to put a teaspoon of pumpkin spice in here. Okay, now I just got the fire out of the oven. We're going to put our filling into the pie. Okay, we're going to let this bake for about on 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until it's done. I'll take a look right there. Look at the delicious pumpkin pie. We're gonna let this cool down before we even take a taste test on this. Okay, we're gonna cut us a delicious looking pie here. Okay, look at this delicious looking pie here. We're gonna do a taste test on this. Look at that. There it goes. Look at that deal. Oh my God. That is so delicious. Boy, that's tasty. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want y'all to have a wonderful day.